Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Your word of the day today is elevation, high thoughts, high elevated thoughts. I need you not in the atmosphere, not even in the clouds. I need you in the solar system. Radical blessings, radical thinking. I want you to be able to have radical faith that your life is coming the way that you want and you're getting bigger blessings than you've been asking for. Believe, radical faith, and believe. Continue to be creative. Build on what you've been building already. You have no idea of the breakthrough that's coming your way, but stay the course. And this is why I'm just giving you that boost of confidence and that credit for it. I free myself from fear and I trust the universe. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. That's why you're able to create such beautiful things that actually work. You're a logical sign, a genius sign. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt, and I shine, baby, shine on the highest level for the world to see, to follow, to mimic, and you live a great life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.